Today, I want to bring you to one-of-a-kind property. We are located at 53 Berg Drive in Mitchell. We have a beautiful 2,650 square feet two-story home, and we have some other very unique features. For example, a huge oversized pool. A pool that you've probably never seen before. And in addition to that, we have a 3,700 square feet heated shop. We have some really unique features on here that you will be never able to replicate on any other property in Mitchell today anymore. As we enter the home, to the one side we have this open living area with a tray ceiling and the wood-burning fireplace. To the other side we have this just very unique, different staircase with a built-in lighting, with a glass railing. Coming back into the living area, we have a dining room, and to the other side we have this super beautiful high-gloss two-tone kitchen that features quartz countertops and the quartz waterfall. We even have a quartz backsplash, and to top it all off, we have high-end stainless steel Bosch appliances. This is the ultimate place if you want to start any kind of business. The shop offers 3,700 square feet. It is heated with a natural gas boiler and forced air. Do you want to start a mechanic business or maybe a woodworking shop? You have all the opportunities here that you need to grow your expertise. I actually, for fact, worked 4 years full-time in this shop. Are you looking for the perfect place to entertain, to create memories with your family? This pool deck itself is 75 by 38 feet. That is over 2,800 square feet. That is a bigger footprint than the house combined on 2 levels. Give me a call today and we can set up a personal tour to get you into this one-of-a-kind property located in Mitchell on 2 acres.